Okay, I'm looking at I think it's the tens place player one scoring unit here. Um, Looks like we got some bad soldering. It doesn't seem too springy. Let's see if I can advance it here. I'm not sure if that looks sluggish or not. So, there's a bunch of grease down here. Like, it's just caked on. And my question is that normal? There's some up there too. So let me advance it. You can just see it's just a greasy mess. So I don't know if I should go and clean that off or what. So let me know. I only taken one out so far to kind of mess with. The contacts back here look pretty good. I mean, they're well worn, but I don't see any obvious issues that I can tell. So maybe some of you guys can let me know. Let's see how this one springs. That one definitely feels sluggish. You can even see the delay. So I don't think it went that time. It's struggling there for some of those digits. I'm having to push it. So let me know. How do I go about fixing that? I can see there's grease in there, even on this one. Anyways, I bought this thing to learn, so I've learned a lot so far in the day that I've had it in the garage. So I've learned how to get these out and put a little cotter pin back in. So looking forward to learning. Hopefully that'll just sit there. Learning from you guys more and more. Alright. I appreciate it. Once again, this is the Chicago Coin Dolphin 1974.